Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Insider, and today I will be reviewing and unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. And let's begin with the unboxing. So we have the transparent case which I bought first, then I bought another case which is much more better because it's not transparent, it has some color, and to the left is the phone box. So let's unbox this and let's check it out what is in this box. So let's take the scissors and let's open the box and check what is there in the box. Let's go into the deep side of this phone's box. We have this box where we can get the symmetry tool, informations and manual and warranty. Let's open and check it out if it's there or not. Plus there's a USB-C to C charging cable. Unfortunately there's no adapter because they stopped that long time ago, around 2029 or 2019 or 2020. Okay, let's keep it aside and let's open the phone, and that is the S24 Ultra, and this is the Mystic Black. Look at the phone, so premium, right? And it has three cameras. There's small two cameras as well. There's one sensor as well. There's a power button and volume button, and there's the USB-C and the speaker and the pen as pen. And it's so good, right? It looks so premium. Plus it's not cheap as well. It's cheaper than previous models. Like now it's like I bought it for 3,200, but normally it's like 5,000 or no, but I got it for 3,000, and that's a really good one. It's worth it as well. So good. This phone, the S23 Ultra right over here, is an amazing phone. I use it for everyday purpose. This is the S24 Ultra. It looks so good, right? And let's put this case right over here. And let's check out the cameras. We'll be seeing that this has 200 megapixel, 50 megapixel, and 12 megapixel for the cameras. And for the video, we'll be having the 60 fps and 30 fps and QHD and FSG, and that's also good. It has a lot of features. 200 megapixels is so good, right? And this 100 times zoom as well, which I've taken a photo of sun, but it's not full sun because my hands were shaking, so it couldn't take it fully. But at least 3 by 4 of the sun is there, and it looks so red. And from far, it looks like it's yellow, but when I take 100 times zoom, it's fully red. And now let's move on to the review of the S24 Ultra. So design and display. Premium build quality with a sleek design, large dynamic AMOLED 2x display around 6.8 inches with a resolution that makes colors pop and provides great viewing angles. High refresh rate up to 120Hz, making scrolling and animation smooth. Performance. Equipped with the latest Snapdragon or Exynos chipset, depending upon the region. Mine is Middle East, so it is Exynos, hopefully. I'm not sure that. But Snapdragon is actually more better chipset. I think so. My S24 is Snapdragon. I'm not that sure. Anyways, performance is even more with demanding applications and ample RAM using usually starting at 12 GB RAM, making multitasking and performance seamless. Cameras. Exceptional camera system with the multiple lenses including the 200 megapixel main sensor, ultra wide and multiple telephoto options. Advanced photography features like improved night mode, AI capabilities and high quality video recordings. And we'll be showing you some photos of mine. I have tested the S24 Ultra's cameras. So basically, first one is the 12 megapixel selfie camera, and it looks good. The 50 megapixel selfie camera is also good, but different angle actually, like this. And then 12 megapixel selfie camera is the best among these three. It looks so cool, bright, smooth. Clarity is also there, and the quality is top notch. And now I'll be showing you the selfie video, and it looks good. It is actually good. It's better than the S23 FE, better than the S24 Plus and S24, and better than the iPhone 16 series as well. It's so clear. It's so smooth as well. Rear view video of this phone, and it looks really good. For this price point, it is actually good. It is worth it, okay, for those who are looking for high-end phones. Now let's talk about the battery life. Typically features a large battery around 5000 mAh, supports fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. Software ships with the latest Android version and One UI, which is known for its user-friendly interface and customization options, regular software updates, and security patches. Additional features: S-Pen support appealing to productivity users, IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, and enhanced connectivity options including 5G support. And I would like to conclude this phone review by saying that this phone is for those who uh, it's ideal for power users, photography enthusiasts, and those who want the latest tech and features. If budget is not a concern and you want the best of the best, go for the S24 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all like this unboxing and review. Do check out the S23 review and unboxing together. The video is right over here. And do check out the test adapter phone video right over here. My name is John. This is Tech and Channel. Signing off.